Final video to fix your Outlook calendar not syncing. And if you're also facing this problem where your events don't update or new meetings don't show up, stay with me because I'm going to share every simple fix so you can solve it today. I'm from Rexicht, and I'll explain everything in the easiest way possible. Are you also facing the Outlook calendar not syncing on your PC or phone? This usually happens because your account has connection issues, the Outlook app data gets corrupted, or the sync settings are turned off without you noticing. You may see many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them are too complicated. When I faced this problem myself, I fixed it with one secret easy trick. First, restart Outlook. A simple refresh often forces the calendar to sync again. Next, check your internet. Slow Wi-Fi or unstable data can stop Outlook from syncing, so switch networks if you can. Now, check your account settings. Open Outlook settings, go to Accounts, and make sure your email is connected and showing no errors. After that, turn on Calendar Sync. In Settings, look for Sync or Calendar Sync and make sure it's enabled for your account. Another fix is clearing the Outlook cache. Go to File Explorer, type %localaptida %\Microsoft\Outlook and delete the cache files. This forces Outlook